Hey friends, if you wish to restore Windows to an earlier date, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open the recovery window. Now go to open system restore and then you can click on choose a different restore point and click on next. So you'll see a few restore points here. Basically, even if you didn't create a restore point earlier, you can restore points are usually created with a major update or some major rollback and all. Okay, so I will select this one. I'll click on next, finish, and then I'll click on yes to initiate the system restore process to restore my system to an earlier date. But I usually prefer to configure a restore point, so I'll click on configure system restore. I'll select create and I will select a good restore point when the system is working fine. This has to be done at an earlier date, not when you're watching this video. I mean, you can keep this in mind for the future and it will start creating a restore point. That's all you need to do. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.